I'm Maddie.
And this is our first ever YouTube video on our slime channel called L&M Slime.
Today we're doing a summer slime haul.
So me and Maddie, we had a sleepover yesterday, and we are going to be showing you all the slimes we made together, and we made about 5.
And I'm gonna let Lila go first.
Okay, so the first slime I want to show you is, this one. This slime I made yesterday with Maddie, and I call this one Marshmallow because if you can see, the color is very, it's white. It's a little bit blue because we use Tide to activate our slimes. And this slime, it is a fluffy slime. And, okay, this slime, it is my favorite slime in the whole universe. I mean, I just made it yesterday, but it's already my favorite. So what do you think about this slime, Maddie?
That's really fluffy and really stretchy.
We use like a bunch of shaving cream. Okay.
It's really good.
So that was Marshmallow, and Maddie, your turn.
Okay, so the first one I'm gonna do is Watermelon. It's a red slime with black beads, and it did have green and clear slime in it, but it mixed in. This is a butter slime, and it's really stretchy, but it's just a little bit sticky. But I love it so much.
What I think about this slime is I think it's cool how there are like little black beads that correspond with seeds in a real watermelon. And this is one of my favorites of Maddie's slime because
it smells delicious.
Yeah, it does. It's like this, it smells like this very good smelling lotion. And this is one of my favorite slimes of yours, Maddie.
Thank you.
Okay, so my turn. So this next slime I'm going to show you this is actually, I loved Marshmallow so much that I made another batch of it. And I call this one Mount Fluff because of how fluffy it is. It has it's the same consistency as Marshmallow. It's just, this one has more bubbles. Marshmallow is a bit more stretchy, but this one, it's very jiggly. Like whenever I poke it, it's
very bubbly.
Yeah, it's a little sticky, but that's
just a little.
But that's only because our hands are hot right now. So.
Yeah, we just got back from the pool and it was really hot.
And so this slime, it's good for stretching and good for making swirls, and it is just one of my favorites.
What I think of that slime is that it's really, really fluffy, like a fluffy mountain, and it's really stretchy, and it's kind of like bubble wrap slime. It never stops popping.
I know.
It's one of my favorites.
Okay, Maddie, your turn.
Okay. My next one is this very glittery one, and I really don't know what I'm gonna call this. It's just really glittery. That's a bunch of glitter.
Yeah, if you were wondering what the blue stuff is, guys, it's all that glitter. She loves glitter.
I love glitter. It's a fluffy slime, and it's very jiggly. And it's super duper stretchy. And it's perfect for making swirls. It's just a little bit sticky because it's cold and my hands are hot. So what do you think?
I love this slime, even though I'm not the biggest fan of glitter in slime because glitter, it makes the slime a bit more crunchy, and also the glitter gets on your hands. Well, there's not a bunch, but I don't like how the glitter gets on your hands. But either way, I love this slime. It's very pretty and it's very stretchy too, and I love this one.
It's very nice. And it's also pretty crunchy too. If you listen very close, you could probably hear it.
Okay, Maddie.
Okay, it's kind of stuck to the cutting board. Okay, there we go. Your turn.
Okay. Oh, okay. Here is this one. This one I love because of the color. I call this one Minty because of the color. It is very light. So what I did is I added green food coloring, but there's shaving cream in this slime, and shaving cream always makes the color of your slime lighter. So a tip, if you're ever making slime and you put the food coloring in before you put in the shaving cream and it's too dark, you just add shaving cream and that can make your color lighter.
And it'll make it fluffy.
Yeah, but if you've already added the shaving cream, then you add the food coloring. It's okay. If you want, you can just add more shaving cream and then your slime will be a beautiful, bright color.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Minty, this one is fluffy. Well, it's not as fluffy as Marshmallow and Mount Fluff. It's cold right now because we're in a cold room. It is very jiggly. It's stretchy, and it smells very good because me and Maddie, we use Tide to activate our slimes, and Tide always makes your slime smell
We
so
also
good.
use dish soap to make it more stretchy instead of lotion.
Yeah, and the dish soap always adds like a really good smell. So that was Minty.
And I think that slime, it kind of looks like a clear slime because the color's so light and it's super stretchy and fluffy and it's bubbly and it's just good.
Yeah.
Okay, so my
Your
turn.
next slime.
Okay. So this is kind of like Mount Fluff and Marshmallow. It's just a little more blue and it has a little bit of glitter.
Yeah.
It is super jiggly and it's good for poking and stretching and doing swirls and stuff. There's not much to say about this one.
Well, I have stuff to say.
Yeah, she does, but anyway.
Okay, this
Yeah.
slime, even though it looks exactly like Marshmallow and Mount Fluff, oh, I love this slime. It's very stretchy. I love the pretty light blue color because of the Tide and the shaving cream. There isn't as much shaving cream in this one as
Mount Fluff and Marshmallow.
It's kind of like Minty, where it's a fluffy slime, but there's not a lot of shaving cream.
It's also kind of looks clear because there's so many bubbles in it and it's really cloudy, so I'm going to have to let it sit overnight so it'll get kind of clear, but it's already white.
Yeah. Have you thought of a name for this slime? I would call it cloudy.
I was calling it Mount Puff, but
Oh, okay. Yeah. Mount Puff and Mount Fluff. Okay, Maddie.
they're kind of twinsies.
Yeah.
Your turn.
Okay, so the second to last slime I want to show you is this slime. Okay, so this is so I call this slime Tide-tastic because all it is, it's just glue and Tide and that's it. So I love this slime. As you can see, it's a kind of a light blue because of the, Tide, and there isn't any shaving cream in here. So this slime, I really love it. It's very stretchy. It is good for making swirls. Little tip about me, I love making swirls with my slime, and I always love my slime to have a very pretty, vibrant color because some of my favorite colors are like neon, and I just love slime when it's more bright and it looks more fun to play with.
Okay.
What do you think about this slime, Maddie?
I think that it's kind of like the slime I just showed you, except it's not that fluffy because she didn't put shaving foam in it. Shaving cream, shaving foam, whatever you want to call it.
Oh, and a tip about Maddie, she is the master when it comes to Tide slimes. Even though we use Tide to activate our slimes, I sometimes use borax to activate my other slimes.
But be careful with that because that can give you borax burns.
Yes, I don't really get harmed to it as much. But always, if you want, you can use contact solution. It's always a safer method.
Mm-hmm.
But all you have to do is just add baking soda, and that will help the contact solution to activate
And I
your
love
slime.
the consistency of this. It's so,
Yeah.
like it's stretchy and it's got good pokes.
Yeah, Tide slime is much more safer than borax, and Tide slime, it comes out really good, and you don't even have to add stuff to make your slime smell good because
It already smells good.
Yeah, because Tide makes your slime smell good. Okay, Maddie.
Okay, next I've got a slime that I call blueberry ice cream because you'll see why.
There's more glitter because Maddie loves
Yeah, it's not a lot of glitter, but it's some, and it's really bubbly. I said that slow, I don't know why. And it's really jiggly, and it's stretchy, and it's really good for doing swirls. It is kind of like the last one, except I call it blueberry ice cream, and it's got like less glitter in it. And it's really good for doing that. Yeah. So what do you think about it?
Okay, this slime, I like it, except it's not as stretchy as
it's not that stretchy, but it still is stretchy.
Yeah, it's kind of stretchy. It's very fluffy. I love the color. Smells awesome. The glitter is a nice touch. I like the nice light color. And I just like how fluffy it is, even though it's not stretchy. I still like this slime though.
And it's really good and clicky.
Yeah.
And it's super non-sticky. Okay, so your next one?
Okay, no, not my next one, my last one.
Your last one.
So my last slime is just like my last slime that I showed you. The thing is, I actually made this slime like 15 minutes ago. And so I love this slime. It's another Tide slime with no shaving cream. It's a light blue color. It's very stretchy. And what do you think about it, Maddie?
I think that it's got real good consistency. It's really stretchy, nice clicks and pokes, whatever you want to call them.
Yeah.
And what I like doing with them is I like swirling my finger around them and then poking them in there.
Oh yeah, I love to do that when the slime is still in like the container. This slime, it's very stretchy. It's good for making like swirls. Oh, and what I noticed is that we haven't made any bubbles for them, Maddie.
Oh, well, we have to. I'll make a bubble with my next slime. It's probably going to be a fail.
I love making bubbles.
You didn't show them the butt crack.
No, we're not going to do that.
Okay, well, there's a trick I made up. I won't show it to you just yet. I don't think you're ready, though.
Since this is our first YouTube video.
Okay, so my last slime is something I call toothpaste slime, because it kind of does look like that Crest whitening toothpaste, because it's got the blue and the green, and it's got a little streaks of white, and it's kind of like bubble wrap, because it's really poppy and it's really cloudy with bubbles, and it's just really stretchy, and it's good.
What I like about this slime is I love the color. It's not as bright as minty, but I love this one. I love the little specks of glitter. It's fluffy. It's a little stretchy, but it's still stretchy, so that's good. I love the consistency of it. The glitter, like I said, the glitter is a nice touch, and the color is beautiful. Okay, so that was Maddie's last slime.
So we're going to line up and put these up so you can see every slime that we made.
So these are all Maddie's.
Those are all of mine.
So right here, this is the one with all the glitter in it. This is
the blueberry ice cream, watermelon, Mount Puff,
and then
toothpaste.
So that was all of Maddie's slimes.
And now it's time for Lola's.
This is my other slime. I'm gonna call this one Tide 2.0 because I already have my Tide-tastic one. This is minty, and then this is marshmallow, and then Mount Fluff.
And now we are going to show you our favorite slimes out of all of them.
My favorite one, I already told you about my favorite one. I love Mount, like I said, Mount Fluff and Marshmallow. That one's my favorite.
And I liked Mount Puff. Twinsies.
It's just, we love them so much. They're so stretchy and they're so fluffy. They're a beautiful color and they're just very fun and satisfying to play with.
Definitely. So that is it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below when you're done so we can give you a shout out.
Yes, and comment down below what your favorite slime out of all of ours is, and watch out for more videos in the future. And one little disclaimer is that since me and Maddie are not sisters and we are out for the summer from school, we just might not post any videos soon, but we might, only because we're not sisters and that we're out for the summer. So anyway, like she said, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check out more of our videos in the future. Bye.
Bye.